WPForms Affiliate Program Review Usage Experience. Welcome to the WPForms Affiliate Program Review. In this video, I'll cover everything you need to know about the program, from commission rates to earning potential, and whether it's a good choice for affiliates. If you're interested, check out the links in the description below. WPForms is one of the most popular drag-and-drop form builders for WordPress, designed for bloggers, businesses, and e-commerce store owners who need an easy way to create contact forms, surveys, payment forms, and more. With over 6 million users, it's a well-known and highly rated plugin that simplifies form creation without requiring coding skills. Its user-friendly interface, pre-built templates, spam protection, and integrations with email marketing and payment platforms make it an excellent choice for WordPress users. Now, let's talk about the WPForms Affiliate Program. This program is managed through Share a Sale, a trusted affiliate network, making it easy to track clicks, conversions, and earnings. Affiliates can earn up to 20% commission per sale, which is a solid rate given that WPForms offers multiple pricing tiers ranging from $49 to $399 per year. That means you can earn anywhere from $10 to nearly $80 per sale, depending on the plan purchased. The cookie duration is 45 days, giving you a good time frame to secure commissions from your referrals. One of the biggest advantages of promoting WPForms is that it's a high-converting, in-demand product. Many WordPress users need a reliable and beginner-friendly form builder, and WPForms has a strong reputation in the industry. Affiliates also get access to banners, promotional materials, and a dedicated affiliate manager to help optimize their campaigns. Payouts are processed monthly with a minimum threshold of $50, making it relatively easy to withdraw your earnings. If your audience consists of bloggers, web designers, developers, or small business owners, this affiliate program can be a great source of passive income. Overall, the WPForms affiliate program offers strong commission rates, a long cookie duration, and an easy-to-promote product, making it an excellent option for affiliate marketers in the WordPress niche. If you're ready to sign up, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.